Yes? Yes? Yes, good morning. Yeah, man, so the one little thing I go on a makeup thing on my face called concealer. And you're supposed to use it like to cover mark and spot and all kind of thing. But enough girl wear concealer now. And so when I get mad for me because I don't know how to conceal. I never wear a concealer before and I don't know how to conceal it. Enough girl wear concealer. So me this like a girl and like a fat girl. She always hang out close by where me live. And she very fat and short. And man, since she starts using a concealer, she don't even say hi to me anymore. Every time she look at me like she hate me. He come like say to me now with the concealer, my makeup, how me put on in a stay like how it's supposed to stay. And I guess you know see how wrong way me put on the makeup, them hate me for the makeup. Like the girl hate me for the ugly makeup of me have on my face, you see. She come out in her pretty concealer and her perfect eyebrows and look like a Barbie doll. And when she see me, she cut her eye off for me. When she see me, she look at me like with hate. For no reason at all, because she wear like a concealer and me not wear none. She claim she too pretty and me too ugly, you see. Because me not have no concealer. Right? Me not have no concealer. So therefore and then, she have an attitude with me. Every time. So yesterday me out the road and I see the girl pass and I say, I take a good look on her. And I take a good look on the woman when she pass. Me say, but Lord of mercy. The woman got big until it hang over the girl belly, big until it hang over like she pregnant. You actually need a sack like a donkey. You go a bush and you put up a donkey. And you go a bush for go dig yam. I go cut on a banana. A bush and you go with the donkey. You know, donkey walk slow. I saw the girl walk like the donkey. That's how they wait upon the girl. And her waist fat and hang over. And she just, she with the concealer on. No found if you stop going to with like a concealer and so not pretty the concealer no have on. When you want to cost about them when you done put on the concealer and fix up the nose, come straight nose and this and that. Honey, me don't know if you do no conceal. You only conceal me not for concealer prayer with Jesus Christ. Me don't know another concealer. And when then just up me look this one next one again, me say Ross look like the next one. She have on the concealer and believe me it look good. And she do it good. But the body fucked up. Woman, want to know how to wear concealer and start to block style from people with the pretty makeup? Make sure nobody go with the makeup. You can't put on this whole pack concealer. Nobody need concealer too. Nobody need concealer. If you kind of shape it up and fix it up. So if you can't get a concealer, you can use for the body. If you can't seal up the gut and everything else. Because the pretty face with the concealer now work with the big old gut and this horrible shape. And this big old cellulite just flap over. This 10-ton of cellulite must be heavy. And you walk like the cellulite, they might bring you down. And a smile with your concealer. If you say you have, and I look down upon me because I don't have no concealer. So you look down upon me, you claim, say me too ugly for you look panty, you go and look upon me. Look down upon me because I don't have no concealer, my nose don't look straight. And when you wash off your concealer, your nose is just like mine. When you wash off your concealer, you're ugly more than me naturally without no concealer. But when you see me, you don't want to malice me because you're wearing some concealer. You're vexed with me because me too ugly and you have on your concealer. When they put on the makeup, they put on the white on the hair and this color and put on all of it in the conceal. I cannot conceal a blasted thing. I don't know how to use a concealer. So you don't have to be vexed with me when you have on your concealer. So nobody want concealer. When you can walk on this 10-pound and still like this big old gut and this big old fat around the waist. I drag yourself into this big old hole boot well lean up on the two side. And the aisle boot can't take the pressure, you know. Because the weight is too much of the body upon the heel. So the two heel them just broke off, one upon the left and one upon the right, and leaving you standing in the middle. And the two boot them just cock off and them a ball for mercy. You squeeze them out to death. And you walk high in your concealer. Baby, do not hate me because me not have no concealer. Do not despise me because me not no concealer because you look good in your concealer. But my body look good without no concealer. But your face look good with concealer. But your body don't look good without no concealer. But your face look with concealer. So how am I do get my face with the concealer? Because my body and my face will look good with the concealer. Boy, I am me tell about them concealer, yeah. When no conceal up on the rasta and the got people house go sleep and conceal and man to the straight nose and his pretty face and sleeping at the concealer and wake up a man in mash off or a break up and the man in jump out of bed and run, probably jump off a Brooklyn Bridge and I realize a Brooklyn Bridge might jump off and end up dead. That concealer is a big disaster.